Looking for cheap classic cars with real conditions? Here are 10 budget classics, some clean, some projects, all honest. Car 1. 1978 Ford Mustang II Coupe 2D. $7,250, Maumee, Ohio. This 1978 Ford Mustang II is powered by a 2.8-liter V6 paired with an automatic transmission and shows around 49,500 miles. The seller states that it runs great and is currently used as a daily driver, which suggests solid basic reliability. The car has received recent maintenance, including a full tune-up, new tires, and a replacement vinyl top. Interior condition is starting to show age, but remains usable. The main issue noted is the air conditioning, which needs a compressor installed. Overall, this is a running and usable classic with minor mechanical and cosmetic needs. Car 2. 1993 Mazda MX-5 Miata Convertible 2D. $2,500, Crawford, West Virginia. This 1993 Mazda Miata has high mileage at around 255,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. Despite that, the seller says it runs and drives well, making it a functional, budget-friendly option. The car does come with several issues, including a worn convertible top, occasional belt noise, and non-working AC. There is also some minor rust and clear coat peeling. Overall, this is a cheap and usable car with visible wear, best suited as a daily beater or light project. Car 3. 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. $7,450, Nashville, Tennessee. This 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is equipped with a matching numbers L48 350 V8 and automatic transmission. Structurally, the car is described as very solid, with a straight body and no rust on key areas like the frame and birdcage. However, the car has been sitting for over 20 years and currently does not run or drive. While many original components are still present, it will require a full recommissioning. Overall, this is a strong restoration candidate with good fundamentals but significant work needed. Car 4. 1964 Pontiac Catalina. $6,500, Mossheim, Tennessee. This 1964 Pontiac Catalina is powered by a 389 V8 with an automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a good driver that runs and drives, suggesting it is usable in its current condition. While not perfect, the car is said to be fairly solid overall, with no major structural concerns mentioned. It likely shows typical wear for its age, but remains presentable. Overall, this is a simple, drivable classic with room for improvement. Car 5. 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D, 25th anniversary. $7,500, Newton, North Carolina. This 1978 Chevrolet Corvette is a 25th anniversary model with an automatic transmission and a 305 engine. It shows 35,000 miles, although the seller notes the mileage is not fully reliable due to a non-functioning odometer. The car runs well and comes with a clean title, along with upgrades like newer wheels and tires. No major issues are mentioned, but details remain somewhat limited. Overall, this appears to be a usable driver with some uncertainty around mileage accuracy. Car 6, 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, $6,000, Streamwood, Illinois. This 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray has around 66,000 original miles and is powered by an L48 350 V8 with an automatic transmission. It has been sitting in a garage for about 10 years, but was recently brought back to life with servicing. Work includes a rebuilt carburetor, new ignition components, flushed fuel system, and new tires. The car runs well now, though the body needs paint work. Overall, this is a mechanically refreshed car with cosmetic needs, making it a solid driver-level project. Car 7, 1970 Chevrolet Caprice, $6,500, Springfield, Missouri. This 1970 Chevrolet Caprice originally came with a 454, but now has a 350 V8 swap paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives, making it usable as a cruiser in its current state. The seller notes a few minor issues, including a thermostat replacement and a possible valve cover gasket leak. Aside from that, it appears to be a solid car with strong presence and style. Overall, this is a drivable classic with small mechanical needs and project potential. Car 8, 1978 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe 2D, $8,000, Grovetown, Georgia. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro runs and drives, with the seller stating that it starts consistently. It appears to be a mostly complete car, but still needs some finishing work. The main items mentioned include interior completion, tail lights, and a power steering pump. These are relatively straightforward fixes, but still require time and effort. Overall, this is a running project that's close to being fully sorted. Car 9, 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D, $7,500, Warsaw, Missouri. This 1974 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is powered by a 350 engine with a turbo transmission and has received performance-related upgrades such as a roller cam and rocker arms. It runs and drives very well and is described as dependable. The car also has new interior parts and tires, making it mechanically solid for regular use. However, it still needs paint and body work. Overall, this is a strong running car with cosmetic restoration left to be done. Car 10, 1964 Rambler 440, $5,800, Frankfort, Indiana. This 1964 Rambler 440 has been modified with a Chevy 350 engine and TH350 automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and stops properly, indicating a functional drivetrain setup. The car is described as complete and features a good-sounding exhaust system. While detailed condition notes are limited, no major issues are highlighted. Overall, this is a simple running classic with a swapped drivetrain and usable condition. That's it for today's list of affordable classic cars. From solid drivers to unfinished projects, each one shows its real condition. If you enjoy honest car content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.